Here are 10 of the most famous festivals celebrated in India. Christmas. Celebrated by Christians across India, commemorating the birth of Jesus Christ. It involves church services, decorating Christmas trees, and sharing gifts. Midnight Mass in historic churches, decorated streets and houses, and Christmas markets. Best locations for celebration: Goa, Kerala, and Mumbai. Visit on December 25. Makar Sankranti. Celebrated across India, marking the transition of the sun into Capricorn. It involves kite flying, bonfires, and special foods like Tilgul. International Kite Festival in Ahmedabad, traditional bonfires, and festive foods. Best locations for celebration: Ahmedabad, for Kite Festival, Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh. Visit in January. Baisakhi. A harvest festival celebrated in Punjab, marking the Sikh New Year and the formation of the Khalsa. It involves processions, dancing, and feasting. Processions to the Golden Temple, traditional Bhagra dance, and communal meals. Best locations for celebration: Amritsar and other parts of Punjab. Visit in April. Pongal. A harvest festival celebrated in Tamil Nadu, dedicated to the sun god. It includes cooking the dish Pongal, traditional dances, and cattle races. Traditional cooking of Pongal dish, bull-taming events, and cultural performances. Best locations for celebration: Chennai and rural Tamil Nadu. Visit in January. Ganesh Chaturthi. A festival celebrating the birth of Lord Ganesha, the remover of obstacles. It features the installation of Ganesha idols, prayers, and immersions. Massive Ganesh idols, street processions, and immersion ceremonies at Girgaon Chowpatty Beach. Best locations for celebration: Mumbai, Maharashtra. Visit in August or September. Eid al-Fitr. Celebrated by Muslims to mark the end of Ramadan, the month of fasting. It involves communal prayers, feasting, and giving to charity. Grand prayers at mosques, communal feasts, and bustling markets with festive shopping. Best locations for celebration: Delhi, Hyderabad, and Lucknow. Time to visit varies based on the lunar calendar. Navratri. A 9-night festival dedicated to the worship of the goddess Durga, featuring traditional dance forms like Garba and Dandiya in Gujarat. Large-scale Garba and Dandiya dance events, vibrant traditional attire, and festive music. Best locations for celebration: Ahmedabad and Vadodara in Gujarat. Visit in September or October. Durga Puja. A major festival in West Bengal, it celebrates the goddess Durga's victory over the buffalo demon Mahishasura. It involves elaborate statues, music, and dance. Elaborate pandals, temporary structures, showcasing artistic statues of Durga, cultural performances, and traditional Bengali food. Best locations for celebration: Kolkata, West Bengal. Visit in September or October. Holi. The festival of colors, Holi celebrates the arrival of spring and the victory of good over evil. People throw colored powders at each other and enjoy festive foods. Traditional celebrations with vibrant colors, music, and dance, especially in Mathura and Vrindavan, the birthplace of Lord Krishna. Best locations for celebration: Mathura, Vrindavan, and Barsana in Uttar Pradesh. Visit in March. Diwali. Known as the Festival of Lights, Diwali celebrates the victory of light over darkness. It involves lighting oil lamps, fireworks, and sharing sweets. The Ghats of Varanasi illuminated with oil lamps, Jaipur's beautifully lit markets, and the Golden Temple in Amritsar adorned with lights. Best locations for celebration: Varanasi, Jaipur, and Amritsar. Visit in October or November.